Hello guys, welcome back to another video of becoming a code expert. In this video, we are going to see a program that is sum of n numbers from Python variables tutorial. So the question is, given an integer n, find the sum of the first n natural numbers. So the input will be given in the n variable and the output should be the sum of all the numbers that is less than or equal to the respective number. So n is 10, so we are adding from 1 till 10 and the output will be 55. Similarly, when n is 5, we are adding from 1 to 5 and the output will be 15. So to calculate the sum, we are going to create a variable called sum and I am initializing it to 0. And then using a for loop for I in range, and the range I am giving it as n plus 1. Why I am giving n plus 1 is only then it will add the numbers till n. So if the number is 10, if I give it as n plus 1, it will be 11 and it will take only numbers from 0 to 10. And here we don't need a 0, so I am giving the lower limit as 1 comma and the upper limit is n plus 1, and then inside that loop I am going to add sum plus equal to I. So why I am doing the sum plus equal to I is because each value of n, that is each value of I, that is from 1 till the ending number, that is 10, all of these number will be added to the sum variable. And then I am going to return the value of sum as it is inside a function. So return sum, and now I'll compile and run this code. So this compilation got completed and the test case got cleared. Now I'll submit this. So all the test cases got passed. I hope this code was clear to you. Hit a like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.